Hello. Today we are going to balance. Balance means standing still without falling. I will show you. Watch me. Watch me balance on one foot. Keep holding. 1, 2, 3. Great. Now let's try together. Get ready. Stand straight. Hands on hips. Lift one foot. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Put foot down. Good balancing. Let's do it again. Stand tall. Lift foot. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Nice balance. Ready? Lift foot. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Great job. You are doing it. Show me strong body. Lift foot. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Super balancing. Last time. Stand straight. Lift foot. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Amazing. You balanced 5 times. Count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You are a great balancer. High five. See you next time. Wave goodbye.